Hey, I'm Tom Reber. Welcome to Fight HQ. The most popular question I get is, Tom, how do I make 50% gross profit on my contracting services? And so listen, I'm going to save you hours of time because I've done videos and podcasts and blog posts that you could read and consume, but right now in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the formula to make it happen. Follow me. Check this out. The easiest way for you to make a 50% gross profit so that you can have money in the bank, not be going into debt and all that other garbage, is to figure out what it costs you to do a job. What are those direct costs? The labor in the field plus the burden, the taxes, the workers' comp, those things. What are you spending on material? What are you spending on a permit or renting a piece of equipment or whatever it is? Add all those things up. And let's just say, for the sake of our example here, those things cost you $10,000. Okay? That's what you get to pay to build or fix the thing for Mr. and Mrs. Jones. Figure up what it's going to cost you. Multiply it by at least 2.0, and in this case, 10,000 times 2 is $20,000. When you subtract your direct costs of $10,000 back out of it, you got 10,000 bucks left. This is what you have left. This money is called gross profit. This is the money that is the real income in your business. This is the money that pays for your overhead and a net profit. Okay? Net profit. Nice, neat writing there. Guys, I promise you, if you simply figure out what it's going to cost and work that as the budget for your job, that is my job budget. That's how much money I have to do this project. Multiply it by 2. Don't sell for any less than that. You can certainly sell for more than this. All right? But as long as you don't, if you sell it for that and produce it for that, you're going to have a 50% gross profit. Okay? Because, last thing, you take the $10,000 that's left on your gross profit, you divide it by the $20,000 that you sold, that will be a 0.50, which is a 50% gross profit. Keep fighting the fight and get the math right if you want to make some serious money.